A Renovators Delight situated in a group of just 4 villas with no strata fees, and to top it all off, it has 252 square metres to its title. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian, and whilst 1 at 6 Wellington Street might not be great to look at, it certainly has some strong attributes to its name. Let's go have a look. Entering off the street, the first thing that I noticed was the space for 2 car bays, because we all know how important off-street parking is. And then coming in here, yes, it is a blank canvas, but the spaces of the living room and the outside courtyard are a very decent size to be working with. In the living quarters, there is of course 2 bedrooms. The master bedroom is a very decent size. There is also a bathroom and a laundry. Well, that's it, quick and easy, but one thing that can't be undersold is the location. 330 metres to the train and bus station, 360 metres to Berlin Cafe for all you coffee lovers, and 520 metres to the iconic South Cottesloe Dog Beach. It really does present as a great opportunity for all first home buyers or investors. I look forward to seeing you shortly.